afternoon. It's the last day of 2023. I'm not going to do anything spectacular today. I'm taking the next few weeks calming down a little bit. I've got things to do. But when I was cleaning up my shop, it doesn't look like I've done much at all, I found one of these. You know what these are, don't you? They're the Reservoir for power steering. Made by ZF. This is a genuine ZF one. They very rarely go wrong. But what's in them? I'm going to cut this one up. I must have about 5 of them. They never break down, do they? Nothing ever goes wrong with them. But what happens if your pump, your steering pump breaks, or something goes wrong with your power steering box? All those little bits of contaminants would go into here. Well, you would think, wouldn't you? If we open the lid, you can see all the mud that's been inside it. That's your little dipstick. It should be between these marks here. And very rarely in here, we've got a filter. Now, usually inside there, there's a little disc, and I sometimes just used to put a magnet on top of there, just in case any metal got into this, because it just recirculates round and round and round and round. So with those aside, we're going to cut it up. I know it seems a bit of a waste, but there again, what the hell am I going to do with it? I'm going to throw it out anyway, because like I say, it's all full of mud. So here we go. I'll cut it here, because then I can use it as a guide. Cutting plastic is always a bit of a... Oh, you missed that. I guess you missed that, eh? Oh, never mind. I'll edit that bit out maybe. Cutting plastic is always a bit of a bugger because it melts and snatches onto the blade. So let's have a look. I'll just cut round here. So I might have to cut a bit more. I think it's around here. And here. Oh yeah. That was a good call to throw it out. Look, it's all full of mud, look. But inside here, we can see there's a little Torx screw in there. Ooh. Let me go and get my Torx gear and then we'll come back. Right, here we go. What could it be? Treasure? You never can tell, can you? See? It's a filter. It's a filter. Look at all the crap in the bottom. You can see why I'm throwing it out. So there's a little strainer in there. There we go. Look at that. So there's a metal cap and a strainer. But there's no way you can take it out to clean it. Not unless you back flush it through the smaller port. Take this out and put it through your parts washer and back flush it. And then all the stuff that's stuck on the outside will get pushed this way. If you do it the other way, if you force oil or solvent this way through the big one, you'll just make it worse because you're going to push all this further in. Oh, that's an interesting one, wasn't it? I wasn't expecting that. Oh, I've got it back up now. I'm quite surprised we had the filter in it, so I'm going to just go for 2 minutes. I'm going to see if I can clean this up. Well, here we are. It cleaned up quite nice actually. I'm going to put that in my 130, I think. They're always missing or something like that, but that, when you're topping it up, it'll prevent any muck getting in from your container or whatever. Anyway, that was ended the year with a bit of a fizz. I hope you all have a good new year, and I hope next year is going to be a lot better. I have my doubts. I think next year is going to see a lot of things kick off next year, so cross your fingers. But have a good time on New Year's Eve. It's New Year's Eve tonight. What am I talking about? It's New Year's Eve tonight, so I better put this video up now. Happy New Year, one and all. Thanks for your support, everything. See ya.